What's up guys, and welcome back to another video of GP Products, the performance company. And today we are here at Goodwood Festival of Speed 2025. And we are mainly here to check out the new Urban stand. So enjoy this Urban special. Urban showed up big time this year. We've got 7 Urban cars here at the stand today, and it looks incredible. Now every car has some new details to it. Some cars you've seen before, some cars are just completely new, and some have received some new updates. But let's talk about this one first. This is an Urban Defender. Obviously, we've seen an Urban Defender, but this one has the new WX5 wheels. And I love them. I've sent some pictures, some sneak peeks to my clients, and the first orders are already coming in just from the pictures. And seeing them in real life, incredible. And also the color combination. It's a really classy combination. We have a dark brown, and here you can see like a brown tint to match it. But the interior, that's also where the magic is. We have some bucket seats, some Recaros, fully custom interior. It's incredible. It's an incredible machine. Amanda, you can include some B-roll of the interior so the viewers can see it as well. But it's beautiful in the sunlight as well with the metallic flake. Well done. Now, this is one of the most important new cars at the Urban stand. This looks like an L461 Widetrack. The red arrows are flying past, so excuse me if I have to shout a little bit. This is the Urban L461 XRS. Now, let me show you around. So obviously at the front, we have the completely carbon fiber front bumper, and as well immediately it starts off with some details. We have the red pinstriping, and the red pinstriping always. It also matches the carbon fiber bonnet. Pinstriping right here, carbon fiber vents with the new trapezoid badge, also with the red lettering. Over to the side, pinstriping is continued with the XRS prototype decals. So this is a prototype, so it's just like a test to see if the people like it, and depending on the reaction of the people, Urban will decide what to do with it. Over to the side we have the Urban UVX wheels. We've seen this on the Defender XRS, looks really good, really aggressive. Carbon fiber side sills with the canard coming up. At the front we have the same thing going on. So it's like one piece all the way through to the back. At the back obviously we also have the Widetrack arch kit. At the back this is really what the XRS makes the XRS. We have a center exhaust. Now this is a first, and that's why it's a bit of a test to see if people like it. But I have to say, it looks incredible. So we have a carbon fiber diffuser with the billet exhaust finisher, and also, yeah, again, the red pinstriping all the way through, red trapezoid badge with the spoiler. Also detail, we have the UA icon badge, replacing like the Urban, and also again, XRS badging. Over on this side, we have a different wheel setup going on. I wasn't sure at first what type of wheels those were, but these are the WX3s. We usually see them on Defenders in 22-inch, but these ones are a bit bigger. And seeing them on a Range Rover Sport, it's like an entire new wheel, but I absolutely love the design. Really cool to see what the people think, and I would love to see these on the road. So please, inquire to Urban. Talking about presence, this thing is right up there. It just raises the bar at the entire stand, I think. Now come with me, check this beast out. So this is the new Cullinan Kit. So let's start at the front. We have an entirely new front bumper, but the main part of this, and you should see this thing at night. With the new Cullinan, the RLs swoop over to the side, and Urban extended them down here. So when you see this thing at night, it's like ready to eat you. It's incredible to see. Here, you have some carbon fiber intakes, carbon fiber grills, more carbon fiber, color matched front grille. That's something they did themselves. And the new front splitter, again with the trapezoid badge. This is a new team that they are doing with all their new releases. Talking about a new release, check out the bonnet. Now doing another bonnet on the Rolls-Royce it's something new. It makes this thing very aggressive, but it suits the car so well. You have the bonnet vents, again with the right branding, a carbon fiber centerpiece. Talking about details, we have a carbon fiber surrounding around the Spirit of Ecstasy. The Spirit of Ecstasy is also made matte black or satin black. We have UV6 wheels with the wider arches. Now the wider arches extend through here, and here we have the side sill extension. So it brings everything out a bit more. These carbon fiber bits, they are connected to the door. So when you open up the door, you don't have to be afraid to damage it because it opens up with it. So easy access, and that's exactly what you want from a Rolls-Royce. At the back again, some aerodynamic options, carbon fiber roof spoiler with the trunk spoiler. If you go for it, do the combination. It's a perfect look for this thing. Now at the bottom again, entirely new rear bumper with a vented diffuser. A very nice detail, and I think the most important part about the rear of the car are these billet anodized exhaust tips. Rolls-Royces are made to be stylish, but this thing just brings it to another level. This thing is on top of the food chain. Now on this side again, as with the L461, we have another wheel setup. Urban came up together with Vossen with the UV8s, also with floating center caps. It's a Rolls-Royce, you have to have floating center caps. This is my favorite side. Let me know which side you prefer, UV6 or UV8s. But this is a bit of me, this thing. I love it. This is a one-of-one Defender, and believe me, it's a one-of-one and you want to see this. But let's point out the main things first. We have an XRS vented bonnet, carbon fiber vented bonnet. And on the side, we have the new WX2R wheels. Now the WX2s have been for Urban the most popular wheel and the most chosen wheel for their Defender. Now, and they're on top of the food chain with that, but they want to stay there. So they updated the design with some new sharp lines, sharp edges. Now at the front we have some carbon fiber styling with some orange details. Now this matches to a beautiful interior. Orange bucket seats, orange details, and some orange piping here. And I think you'll notice that something is missing. This is a soft top Urban Defender, and it's a collaboration together with Heritage Design in the Netherlands. So we have Urban Automotive together with Heritage Design. They collaborated on this project, and it's a masterpiece. The nice thing about it, we can open and close this roof. Now check this out. Let me get out real quick, not damage the car. Now the cars can get dusty. We're at a busy area and all these small trucks are driving past on the sand road, so excuse us if the cars are a bit dusty. Now these cars you've seen before, L461, L460, but there's something new with the L460. We have a new carbon fiber bonnet for the L460. It gives the car a much more aggressive look. It was already aggressive, but this thing, it speaks to me. Now coming over to this one, L461, the Range Rover Sport. You've seen this kit already before, but the thing they've done with this one, the details, it's an incredible piece of kit. So first the color. I'm not quite sure what the name of this color is, but it reminds me of a Porsche chalk color. But this thing is fully kitted out. On the side, this is where the details start. We have an orange pinstriping. It's the first time they've done it on the Range Rover Sport. So orange pinstriping, and this orange pinstriping returns in the wheels. These are the UV1Rs. It's my favorite wheel for a Range Rover Sport. And if you drive cars like these, you are not average. So bring out your personality and spec this car to match it. These ones you've seen before. This one is a new kit as well. This is the brand new Mercedes G63 Widetrack by Urban. This is the first for me. Seeing this in real life, this is a G63 2025 model with the new Widetrack kit. And there's a lot going on, so let's run this thing down front to back. So let's start off at the bonnet. We have the carbon fiber bullnose. Now this is partially painted and the vents are left exposed carbon fiber. Now on the previous model they ran down, these run up. So we have no issue with the rain as well. These nostrils are inserted with some 3D printed plastic pieces, so no dirt gets into the engine compartment behind it. Now, stepping down a volume, we have a complete carbon fiber front bumper replacement with a lot of carbon fiber styling parts. So we have this carbon fiber overlay running into the DRLs, and a very good detail I think with the DRLs. The G-Wagon is iconic with the circle lights. The DRLs are the same circle. So we have circles at the bottom, circles at the top. So the iconic design of the G-Wagon is carried over to the entire kit. And a 5-piece, yes, a 5-piece front sprinter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in there. Now another detail, I almost brushed past it. These indicators are surrounded with a carbon fiber accessory as well. So everything blends in together. Over to the side, new wide arches, partially body color, partially carbon fiber, and again, we're greeted with the beautiful UV8 wheels. Now this is my favorite thing on this entire stand. I'm very hyped about these wheels, and again with the floating center caps. We have carbon fiber side sails in gloss carbon fiber this time. They were launched in a matte carbon fiber, but I think I'm more of a fan of the gloss carbon fiber. the billet exhaust finishes. It's a very high quality piece, again with the Urban branding in here. Very, very nicely done. Again, wide arches, UV8s. I'm coming over to the back. This is the main piece here. This is the Urban Icon wheel carrier, and as Lenny said it in the video, this thing is large and in charge, and I have to agree with him. I love this. I seriously love this. And again, at the bottom we have a bumper replacement package, which is entirely carbon fiber. Down here we have a carbon fiber diffuser and a nice detail. This thing is compatible with a tow hook. If you don't have a tow hook, this will be one piece, but it is available with a tow hook. If you want to tow your boat, tow your horse carrier or some other things, it's still possible. So we have a newly designed light bar, entirely made out of carbon fiber, again with the trapezoid Urban badge. The previous design was a bit more upwards. This new design blends in way more with the shape of the line in the roof. And at the back as well, so it swoops into the line of the roof and then pops back up again in this beautiful spoiler. Seeing this thing in person and seeing this from a distance, then I realize how badass this thing is. I absolutely love it. This might be my favorite car on the stand together with the new Cullinan. Urban, well done guys. Simon, we just did a walk around of all the cars, and yeah, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
You've come.
I've had this beaming smile like so far. We're only one day in, but I'm really, really happy. So first question to you, what is your favourite?
It's hard to decide, but it has to be between the G-Wagon and the Cullinan. When the G-Wagon was launched in the satin black, I couldn't see all the details, but in this color, with the UV8 wheels,
you like the UV8s, yeah?
Definitely.
That's why we always, on a show, we always put one on one side, one on another, because there's the wheel can change the car, as we know.
For sure.
So there's so much different taste on and different people. Some people want a classic, some people want to go for like a modern like look that no one else goes for.
Which was the most difficult one to pull off to get here?
To be honest, so all four cars on the front row were all being built the day before the show. Yeah. So the last parts went on before the show.
Yeah.
The soft top was the most time crucial because that came from the Netherlands.
Yeah, obviously.
And when it came from the Netherlands, we had to finish the car completely.
Yeah.
This was a last minute decision. This was after a couple of glasses of wine on a Friday night. I got this crazy idea, let me do a prototype. We've never done a prototype for a show. So this came together at the last minute. This for me is the most interesting car because what I want to do is I want to get feedback from people over the weekend.
Try something new.
As to whether we go into production on this. Maybe we'll do a limited run of 15, 20, maybe 25, because the XRS we sold everything, so.
Yeah, of course. And it's only the first day, but I've seen reactions from the people and they love it.
They love it.
Surprised in a very good way.
That's our stand is always quite a draw for people. And obviously we've stepped it up this year, we've doubled the size of the stand. Sure. And for me, the star of the show is definitely the soft top because it's true coach work, it's true bespoke, and we sold that this morning. Less than 24 hours.
Oh, seriously?
It's sold already.
On the stand, then someone wanted it?
No, not even on the stand, social media.
Shit.
Yeah, Instagram post, done, gone. But obviously you guys have travelled over here. You happy with the stand? Yeah?
I'm blown away, seriously.
Good.
See, Goodwood in itself is incredible.
Yeah.
But when I saw the stand, I was like, I can spend an entire day here. Yeah. Looking at all the cars, talking to the people, and seeing the smiles of everyone. It's priceless.
Awesome.
You did a very good job. Thank you very much, and I will see you around.
You're very welcome.
Thanks. So we're wrapping up this video next to my favorite one, the Cullinan with the UV8 wheels. It's a perfect car for me. And if you're at Goodwood, well, make sure to check this stand out because I seriously mean you can spend an entire day here. Check out the social media of Urban Automotive. They post some incredible stuff. Check out our social media. Sorry guys, we just got interrupted, but I have some exciting news to share. I just received the news just now, but Urban Automotive has acquired Heritage Customs as part of their own company. And that's the first project, but stay tuned. I'm incredibly hyped for all this. Now, let me know what your favorite one on the stand is. And yeah, click subscribe, press the like button, and I'll see you soon with a GP Products Unpacked video out of everything that's happening at Goodwood. See you next time.